What's up, guys? Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. Let's make some delicious mouth-watering Jamaican chicken back. Now guys, me know say enough I wanna feel like say chicken back. Uno red chicken back, but let me tell you something. Say if you cook it good, everybody lick them finger. Alright? So if you are interested in the video, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to share the recipe. Don't forget to comment down below, as I love to hear from you. And you can follow me on Instagram at recipe_Tamara. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So I have my nicely washed chicken back. Now guys, chicken back have a tendency to taste raw. So I'm gonna wash my chicken back about 3 times. I wash it with some vinegar and me use a little salt in the water, and each time I wash it off and add some more salt. It's just one time I use the vinegar. Alright, so I added some fresh seasoning, some pimento, some scallion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper. I add lots of garlic, I add onion, I add ginger and thyme. Right, so I'm adding some powder seasoning, some chicken Maggi and some Maggi all purpose. I also added some pimento, ginger and garlic powder to it. Now you can add your favorite seasonings, of course. If you don't want to go powder season, just go all natural, because the food once you season and meat good, guys, and not a problem. Added some black pepper to it. Now me I gonna add a pinch of salt. Guys, I don't really need no salt, but for me I like to add a little salt to my food because salt give it so much flavor. So now I'm gonna add some curry powder to it. Now I'm not gonna over add the curry powder because remember we are gonna use curry. We're gonna burn with curry also. Alright? Just to add a little flavor as it marinates. Even though I'm not gonna really marinate the chicken, but maybe about 5 to 10 minutes or so. And yeah, my chicken back nicely seasoned. So I'm gonna go over to the stove. Now I'm gonna burn the curry. Alright, in Jamaica we still burn the curry. So it's not really burning the curry, just sauteing the curry to get all the flavors. Alright, then I'm gonna add the seasoned chicken. Afterwards, guys, I'm just gonna give it a little mix just to make sure so everybody mix out in the curry. And even though they have this nice curry color already, but me just want to make sure so they're fully coated in the curry powder. Alright, so after giving it a nice little mix, I'm gonna cover the pot. Alright, so as you can see, I'm not preparing a lot, but you can always double or triple the recipe. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, I realized that the chicken back started to release some juices of its own. So these are the natural juices that was released. So I just like to go in and give it a mix because I realized that there are some flavors that was stuck in the pot at the bottom of the pot, so I'm just gonna mix them around, and then I'm just gonna cover back down the pot on very low because it's good to cook your meat on low flame so all the flavors can mingle together and your chicken back or whichever meat you have cooked tastes good. Alright, so it released some more juices, so we're gonna move on to the next step. Alright, but I'm gonna just cover it again for about 2 more minutes and then I'll come back. Now the time has passed, so now all the juice is gone, guys. A little is left but not much, so I rinse the bowl that I used to season the meat in, and then I'm gonna add it to the pot. Now there are some nice flavors in the bottom of the pot, so I'm just gonna take my little time and just mix it around just to get all of that flavor from the bottom of the pot to just be mixed with the chicken back. Alright, it's looking so good already, and it just start cook, right? So the meat cook about 10 minutes already, so we now go fill up the pot of water. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna cover, let it come to a rapid boil, and then I return and show you what I do next. Now at this point I'm gonna add some fresh seasoning. You want to add the seasoning of your choice, so the same seasoning that I'm use is to season the meat, I might add some more. Alright, so the secret to have a nice curry chicken or any type of chicken, don't over add the powder seasoning, guys. Use a fresh seasoning. Alright, so I added some onion, add some more thyme, add some more scallion, and I'm gonna add some more garlic because me love enough garlic. Alright, but I'm gonna add a little bit more water because it didn't have enough liquid to cook, right? To cook the Irish. Cause you know the Irish are gonna make it gravy thick and look glossy and nice. But I want to ensure that I have gravy to serve with the food. Okay? I'm gonna add the garlic. You can always taste, and if you want to add some more fresh seasoning or scotch bonny pepper. I did add a piece of scotch bonny pepper to season the meat, and I added a small piece again because I don't like the pepper. Alright, so if you want to add lots and lots of pepper to your curry chicken, then go ahead. Alright, so I'm gonna just make it cook down on a medium low flame because I say cook your food on like a low flame so you know it can cook nice and tender and just taste good. Alright, so at this point it's all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to tell others about my recipes. And trust me guys, if you cook that food in your kitchen, everybody are gonna love it. Cause not because of chicken back, me no want nobody downgrade my chicken back. Alright, cause me love my chicken back. Alright. So all of my chicken back fans them wanna comment down below. Subscribe if you not loving the chicken back, and yeah, share the video. And if it looks good to you guys, don't forget to try the recipe and tell me how it tastes. Alright. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I love you all. Best upon yourself straight.